Welcome to the presentation of Kalman filter based maximum PowerPoint tracking project submitted as a part of Simulink Student Challenge 2021. Just a quick introduction of myself. I am Siddharth Mishra and I am currently pursuing my undergraduation from NIT Nagpur. So let's begin with the problem statement and the solution. So the problem involves the design and its implementation of an algorithm to track the maximum power point of the PV panel such that it deals with the drastic changes in the solar radiation and the temperature. The solution involves the implementation of an algorithm based on the Kalman filter theory to track the maximum power point in a MATLAB and Simulink environment, and it proves to be very efficient in minimizing the error and reducing the time response. Now the basic introduction of the Kalman filter algorithm. Kalman filter is an algorithm based on the series of measurement observed over a time to produce the estimate of an unknown variable with the significant consideration of the noise. It is named after Rudolf E. Kalman. This algorithm involves two steps: prediction and correction. So as we are seeing the lot of variables here, X is basically the state variable which is to be estimated. A and B are the metrics that are obtained from the difference equation. H is the error covariance matrix. K is the Kalman gain matrix. Z is actual measured value of the state variable. C is the output matrix. Q is basically the process noise covariance matrix, and R is the measurement noise covariance matrix. This MPPT system scheme shows the integration of each component to track the maximum power point for the desired operation. As shown in the flowchart, PV panel delivers the input voltage and the current to the boost converter and the MPPT controller. MPPT controller process as per the Kalman filter algorithm and outputs the duty cycle to the boost converter. Then boost converter delivers the output voltage and the current to the load. The output voltage is feedback to the MPPT controller. This process goes on recursively. This slide shows the implementation of an MPPT system in a MATLAB Simulink environment. Now, switching to the Simulink environment, let's have a look into the Kalman filter algorithm as a MATLAB function block. As you can see here, the Kalman filter algorithm is written as a MATLAB function. Here, we have splitted the function into the three parts. First is a initialization. Second is the prediction stage. Third is the updation stage. And afterwards, we output the duty cycle to the boost converter. Here, we have a total of three parameters that can be controlled to see the variations in the output. And they are: first is the step size. Second is the Q, which is a process noise covariance. And third is a R, which is a measurement noise covariance. Moving ahead with the result part. The result part is basically split into two cases. Case 1 deals with the constant irradiance at 1000 watt per meter square and constant temperature at 25 degrees Celsius. You can see here how quickly the power has attained its maximum value. Moving on to the case 2, which deals with the varying irradiance and the temperature. You can observe here the maximum power changes with the change in irradiance and the temperature. Here is the list of references I referred to them while working on this project. At last, I would like to thank you for watching this video.